I have to make a declaration of interest. I'm a vice president of the EPP, the European People's Party, and I'm a long-time friend of Janeza Janšo. A person that I trust is completely serious politician, is a reformist, and is someone who has been always trying to work for the better of his people. How do you want the friends of Slovenia to think abroad, in the other member parties of the European Union, when you see that 22 years later, the husband of the secret agency of the communist regime that has arrested in 1988 Janeza Janšo, its wife, 22 years later, she arrests Janeza Janšo, if not for a revenge. We don't accept selective justice. We only believe in a fair and just justice system, provided that all the rights of the defendants are considered, provided that there are no fake accusations, that no one is blamed or criticized or guilty by unknown reasons at unknown places with unknown partners for unknown payments. Sorry friends, this is too much.